Alright, so you want to get your channel monetized and join the YouTube Partner Program? Let me break it down for you step by step. You need at least 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hours in the last 12 months, or 10 million shorts views in the last 90 days. These are non-negotiable. Set up two-step verification on your Google account. YouTube won't let you apply without it. Double-check your security settings right after this video. Your channel must follow YouTube's policies and guidelines. No copyright strikes, no community guideline violations, no spammy uploads. Once you hit milestones, you'll see Apply Now in YouTube Studio under Monetization. Click it and follow the steps. Accept the partner program terms. Sign up for Google AdSense. Let YouTube review your channel. Review can take days or weeks, so be patient. While you wait, keep uploading quality content. Be active and engage with your audience. If you get rejected, fix issues and reapply after 30 days. Recap. Hit subscriber watch hour goals. Secure your account. Follow the rules. Apply when you're ready. If you want more tips, hit subscribe. I'll help you grow your channel step by step. Let's get you monetized. Visit my profile where I can help you build a fully functional YouTube channel.